Sarah, do you think we're going to have a hard landing, i.e. a recession, which would be, even if it's garden variety, it could be fairly serious? And if you think that, is it already reflected in the S&P?
I mean, we are in the midst of a lot of turbulence, and it's not going to get better. I think that we're definitely in for a lot of headwinds, and I do think there's a high likelihood of a hard landing here. I think that the S&P, it doesn't look great, but the reality is that there's probably a long way down to go, especially for the big tech names where, they were flying really high a year ago.
So you think that, we just heard someone use 3,400 as a potential target for the S&P. When you know that there's bad things right in your face, a lot of times you got to decide whether the market's already anticipated that. And it's almost like something even worse than what you see right now has to happen to take it to new lows. You think there's something even worse ahead, which will take us lower?
I mean, look, a few weeks ago, people thought that we would see QE, right, again next year, and that's just not realistic, and it's not happening. And so I think for those people who were overly optimistic on the summer rally, this has been, a bit of a wake-up call, and I think that much more of the market now is in line with the fact that, no, this isn't good, right? Look at any major country in the world right now. It's all bad news, and that's got to be priced in eventually, and I think that we're on our way there.
Well, we've actually had opposing viewpoints. Just last week, we had one individual, pretty well known, saying, the Fed is, even 75 basis points isn't enough. We need 1%, 100 basis points, maybe even more than that to get under control. Whereas we had another gentleman who's a real estate billionaire who said, we're already falling off a cliff as far as the economy goes, Sarah. So the Fed could be data dependent and maybe doesn't need to go that much further if things worsen really quickly. Is that possible?
We're going to hear a lot from the Fed this week, but the reality is that the Fed has been pretty clear that they don't think that they're stopping anytime soon, and they're the ultimate decision makers here. And inflation isn't stopping, and so I don't see any sort of magic turnaround here.